Good morning students. Today we are going to see Unit 17 Reproduction in Plants and Animals. The last video, the same unit, we saw sexual reproduction in plants. This video we are going to see sexual reproduction in animal, in that sexual reproduction in human. Sex organs. Male reproductive organ, structure of testes. Female reproductive organ, structure of ovary. Gametogenesis. These topics, let's see one by one in detail. Sex organs are divided into two major. One is primary sex organs. Another one is accessory sex organs. Primary sex organs are first one is testes in male, ovary in female. Testes in male, ovary in female. Accessory organs in male, vast difference. Epididymis, seminal vessel, prostate gland and penis. These are accessory organs in male. In female, fallopian tubes, uterus, cervix and vagina. These are female accessory glands. The secondary sex organs, otherwise called accessory sex organs, include those structures which are involved in the process of fertilization, development of fetus, childbirth. All the process is involved in the secondary accessory sex organs. Process of ovulation. Development of ovum is called ovulation. Process of ovulation. Fusion of male and female gametes, that is fertilization. Divisions of fertilized egg up to the formation of embryo, cell division. Divisions of the fertilized egg up to the formation of embryo, pregnancy. Development of fetus. Fetus means small young ovum, young fertilized zygote that developed small young one, that is fetus. Childbirth. These process involved the secondary sex organs or accessory sex organs. Male reproductive organ, structure of testes. Cross section of human testes. This is the cross section of human testes. Testes are reproductive gland of male, that is oval in shaped organ which lie outside the abdominal cavity. Sac-like structure called scrotum. The scrotum is outside the abdominal cavity. Why it is located outside the abdominal cavity means it need less than the body temperature. It need less than the body temperature, so it is located outside the body. Each testis covered with a layer called capsule tunica albuginea. Many septa form a layer, divide the testes in pyramidal lobes, that is visceral layer, cavity and parapial layers. These layers divide the testes into pyramidal lobes, which seminiferous tubule cells, Sertoli cells and Leydig cells, interstitial cells are present. The process of spermatogenesis takes place in the seminiferous tubules. The Sertoli cell, the straight tubule, efferent ductless form epididymis. The seminiferous tubules takes place inside the seminiferous tubule takes place the spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis means sperm formation. Here Sertoli cells are present. The Sertoli cells, supporting cells, provide the nutrients to the developing sperm. Leydig cells are also present, polyhedral in shape, lie between the seminiferous tubules. The Leydig cells are lie between the seminiferous tubules, and secrete the testosterone. Leydig cells are secrete testosterone. It initiate the process of spermatogenesis. Leydig cells are initiate the process of spermatogenesis. The epididymis send the sperm to vas deferens. Vas deferens send out the sperm through ejaculatory duct. Ejaculatory duct. Ligamentous remnant of processes vaginals. Also one outlet. Female reproductive organ, structure of ovary, cross section of human ovary. This is a cross section of human ovary. The ovary are located either side of the lower abdomen, composes two almond shaped body, almond shape, almond, dry fruit, badam shape, each lying near the lateral and fallopian tube. Each lying near the lateral fallopian tube. Each ovary is compact structure consisting of outer cortex, inner medulla. The outer layer is called cortex, inner layer is medulla. The cortex is composed of network of connecting tissue is called stroma. Cortex outer layer is called connective tissue stroma, as is lined by the germinal epithelium. The epithelial cells are called granulosa cell, surrounded the each ovum in the ovary. Each ovum in the ovary. Granulosa cell surrounded each ovum in the ovary, forming the primary follicle. The primary follicle is taught to growing follicle. Then follicular fluid inside the primary cell, the fluid form, that is follicular fluid. The fluid is also called Graafian follicle. In the matured follicle, the ovum will come out due to rupture of follicle. The ovum is come out due to the rupture of follicle. After rupturing the follicle, that area is early corpus luteum, changed into corpus luteum. That at last corpus albigans. Albigans means regrescence. The corpus luteum is start to regresses. Regresses is starting destroying, disappear. The number of primordial follicle, newborn female baby, ranges over 7 million. When the child is born, the primordial follicle is present 7 million. During the girl baby attain the puberty, the cell around the number 60,000 to 70,000. During the lifetime of woman will only ovulate 300 to 400. Only ovary ovulate 300 to 400 of the out of 1 to 2 million eggs. She was initially born 1 to 2 million primordial cells. The other side, male will produce 500 billion sperms in their lifetime. Male reproduce 500 billion sperm produced in their lifetime. Gametogenesis. Gametes means reproductive cells, that is male sperm in female ovum. The formation of gametes is called gametogenesis. In male sperm, in female ovum. Spermatogenesis, sperm formation is called spermatogenesis. Ovogenesis, formation of ovum is called ovogenesis. Together is called gametogenesis. Gametes with haploid cells. Haploid means N nucleus is present, that is haploid cells. Structure of human sperm. The human spermatozoon, otherwise called spermatozoon, consists of head, midpiece and tail. Head, midpiece and tail. The sperm head is elongated and formed by the contention of nucleus. The head contains nucleus. The anterior portion has a cap-like structure, that is acrosome. It contains enzyme, that is hyaluronidase. The acrosome contains enzyme that is called hyaluronidase. That enzyme help the sperm enter inside the ovum during fertilization. Acrosome contain enzyme hyaluronidase that help the sperm to enter inside the ovum during fertilization. A short neck. It comprises the centriole. The middle piece contains mitochondria which provide energy for the movement of the tail. It brings about the sperm motility which is essential for fertilization. Motility means movement. The mitochondria help the tail to move during fertilization. Structure of ovum, that is female reproductive gamete ovum. The mature ovum or egg spherical in shape. Spherical means round in shape. The ovum almost free yolk, center part, free yolk. It contains abundant cytoplasm. And a nucleus. The ovum surrounded by three membrane. Plasma membrane is surrounded by zona pellucida and outer thick corona radiata. The corona radiata is formed of follicle cells. Corona radiata are formed follicle cells. The membrane forming the surface layer of the ovum is called vitelline membrane. The fluid-filled surface between the zona pellucida and surface of the egg. Zona pellucida and surface of the egg. In between surface is called perivitelline space. In between space is called perivitelline space. Puberty. Puberty is a reproductive system. Both male and female become functional and increase in size or sex hormone production, resulting in puberty. The phenomenon too tends start earlier in female than male. Generally, boys attain puberty between the age of 13 to 14, while the girl reach the puberty 11 to 13 years. In male, the onset of puberty is triggered by the secretion of hormone testosterone in the testes. In female, the secretion of hormone estrogen and progesterone in the ovary. From the ovary, the secretion of both male and female hormones under the control of pituitary gonadotrophic luteinizing hormone LH, pituitary gonadotrophic luteinizing hormone LH, and the follicle stimulating hormone FSH. These hormones control the gonads. That is, gonads means that is reproductive organ. Secrete the hormone is controlled by LH and FSH. Thank you once again.